I wanted to share with you very convenient magnetic cable clips to keep your cables intact. Very convenient for keeping cables together. As you can see, I have this one in here, and I have one for each of our nightstands to keep our charging cables intact so you don't lose them and you don't have to look for them, and you just have them wherever you place them. This is how tiny it comes in. It has a magnet. You put your cord in here and it clips back in, and this is the sticker that you peel off and you stick it to wherever you want to stick it. This like this. Open it, put your cable in, close it, and you can probably fit in 1 or 2 cables if you need to. We love this thing in our house. We have one in every room. Thank you for watching.